Welcome to this step-by-step guide on launching your very first AWS EC2 instance. If you are new to cloud computing or AWS, you have come to the right place. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the entire process from creating an AWS account to launching a fully functional EC2 instance for your projects. By the end of this guide, you will have a solid understanding of the basics and be ready to explore more advanced AWS services. Before we start, let's briefly understand what EC2 is. Amazon EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, is a core AWS service that lets you run virtual servers on the cloud. These virtual servers, also called instances, can host websites, run applications, or serve as back-end servers for projects. The main advantage of EC2 is flexibility. You can choose the operating system, instance type, and configure it according to your needs. And the best part, AWS offers a free tier for beginners, which allows you to practice without incurring any cost. Now we are ready to launch an EC2 instance. In the AWS Management Console, search for EC2 and click it. Click on Launch Instance. First, select an Amazon Machine Image or AMI. For beginners, we recommend the free tier eligible Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Next, choose an instance type. For experimentation, select T2.micro, which is free tier eligible. Configure instance details. Default settings are fine for beginners. Under storage, the default 8 GB is sufficient. Add a tag, for example, name equals my first EC2. Then configure a security group. Create a new security group and allow SSH from your IP only. Review everything and click Launch. AWS will prompt you to create or select a key pair. Choose Create a new key pair, download it, and keep it safe. You will need it to connect to the instance. Once the instance is running, select it and copy the public IP address. Now, connect using SSH. On Windows, you can use PuTTY. On Linux or Mac, open the terminal and type ssh-i yourkey.pem ec2-user at your instance IP. Make sure to set the key file permissions correctly with chmod 400 yourkey.pem. Congratulations! You are now connected to your first AWS EC2 instance.